Top 5 Best Travel Tripods. Number 5. Benro Slim Tripod Kit. Benro Slim aims to sway users with affordable, high-quality options. Released in 2017, the Slim series expands with 2 new models, in either aluminum or carbon fiber constructions, that are ideal for travel. When collapsed, the carbon fiber variant measures 20.1 inches with a minimum height of 15.7 inches and a maximum height of 57.6 inches with the center column extended. This variant is also incredibly lightweight at 2.2 pounds, including the ball head. But, it supports a maximum payload of 8.8 pounds. The tripod uses 4-section legs with twist locks and 3 locking angles. And these locks unlock with a single half-turn, making quick teardowns efficient and easy. It also uses a rapid center column, which additionally is reversible for ground-level shots. Benro includes the N00 ball head, which features an oversized ratchet control knob and a panoramic scale. Other bonuses include a quick-release plate, a built-in level, a center column hook, and a carrying case. Overall, Benro's Slim is the ideal option for those hesitant with using a tripod out in the field. It's both affordable and lightweight, neither bogging down your kit or your wallet. And it's only slightly more expensive than the cheapest models on the market at its current price. But, it offers a superior build quality from a trusted brand designed to last. Coming in number 4. Peak Design Travel Tripod, 5-section aluminum. Peak Design's Travel Tripod is their latest Kickstarter-backed project. Released in 2020, they've redesigned this tripod from the ground up rather than knocking off the same design synonymous with the category. And they offer this tripod in either aluminum or carbon fiber constructions. When collapsed, the tripod folds to 15.2 inches with a minimum height of 5.5 inches and a maximum height of 60.2 inches with the center column extended. The aluminum variant weighs 3.44 pounds and supports 20 pounds payloads. Peak Design spent 4 years developing this release. And they've specifically designed the tripod to remove all unnecessary bulk, maximizing space. It uses 5-section legs with hooked lever locks for added security. And these legs fold closer than traditional designs, making the entire package only as wide as a water bottle. They also include a ball head with a built-in level, and it's also reversible, allowing you to shoot straight down. Other bonuses include a quick-release plate, a center column hook with a mobile mount, and a carrying case. Overall, Peak Design has reinvented the traditional design for travel tripods with this release. And they've innovated, creating the ideal traveling companion for its size and strength. Coming in number 3. Manfrotto Befree Advanced Travel Tripod. Manfrotto's Befree Advanced is their latest release and the successor to the original models that initially popularized the travel category. Released in 2018, Manfrotto offers this tripod in either aluminum or carbon fiber constructions and 2-leg locking styles. When collapsed, the carbon fiber variant measures 16.1 inches with the same minimum height and a maximum height of 59.1 inches. And it weighs 2.75 lbs, making it a leader in the ultra-lightweight category. And it still manages a 17.6 pounds payload, doubling its predecessor in this regard. The tripod uses 4-section legs with twisting M-locks and 3 locking angles. And the legs have interchangeable feet for quick replacements to spiked feet when needed. Manfrotto also ships this tripod with the 494 ball head with dedicated lock and friction controls. And this tripod has the new quick link port, which allows you to attach accessories such as flashes or reflectors. Other bonuses include a 10-year warranty, a quick release plate, and a carrying case. Overall, Manfrotto's Befree Advanced offers notable upgrades that make a superior refinement over the original model. And it redefines this genre as the best all-rounded tripod to date. It stands as the perfect option for traveling photographers wanting both superior performance and rigidity in a compact package. Coming in number 2. MeFOTO RoadTrip Tripod. The MeFOTO RoadTrip is a tripod that's as versatile as it is colorful. The RoadTrip serves as both a tripod and a monopod with one removable leg. The versatility also extends to the tripod's height range. It goes from 15.4 inches to about 61 ounces when extended. With the legs reverse folded, the tripod packs away in less than 16 inches of space. The number of leg sections is a bit on the higher side, but, with 5 parts using twist locks. The feet have spikes, and the twist locks and Arca quick release plate help get the tripod set up a bit faster. MeFOTO offers 2 different versions of the RoadTrip, an aluminum and a carbon fiber edition. The pricier carbon edition option weighs 3.1 pounds and can handle over 17 pounds of gear. The aluminum weighs a half pound more, handling the same amount of gear. For those who don't like their photo gear looking like everyone else's, the RoadTrip comes in 7 different colors. Coming in number 1. Peak Design Travel Tripod. The newest addition to Peak Design's lineup is the revolutionary travel tripod. We know Peak Design because of their camera bags, carrier straps, and belt holster systems. Now, they added a travel tripod that is turning everyone's heads. What makes it so unique? Quite a few things actually. First of all, it's a real travel tripod. It folds down to under 15.5 inches, which is exceptional as it extends to 60 inches when in use. That is more than enough for most travel photography. There are also 2 options in the material you can get this tripod in. Aluminum and carbon fiber, where the former weighs 3.44 pounds and the latter comes in at 2.81 pounds. The weight is manageable as it weighs similar to other travel tripods. The carbon fiber version is stiffer and lighter but is more expensive. As a travel tripod, it has a few advantages. It is Arca Swiss compatible, has a single ring to adjust the head, which is also an intuitive and compact ball head. What is different is this tripod has 4 leg extenders. This offers you more versatility in the stable height you can use it.